the same page.
Okay.
Quick search.
Go to quick search.
And you usually have like you have this drop down menu right here.
How far can you go back as far as sales?
I have no idea. Years probably.
Oh wow, like retrospective.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So like if you ever had to do like
I do. I go back 2 or 3 years.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
And if you were to do that, how do you do that for retrospective?
Just pull comps. Just go to residential.
Let me see.
Status.
See, but all it says is active.
No.
Okay, how the fuck did you get there? I've been there, and mine doesn't show closed.
Does it show coming soon?
I think so. It just says like active kind of stuff, but I look for closed and I can't find it.
Scroll down. See this bar right here?
Yes.
It's active. That's a menu bar.
Okay, I'll try it again.
Watch.
And
reset. Quick search.
Quick search.
Residential. See this status bar?
Yes.
Tap it right there. And then this menu moves up and down.
You motherfucker.
Closed. And then as soon as you hit close, this drop down menu.
Okay, now let's say you were going to pull comps for, let's say 3 months ago. Okay, you got 90 days.
90 days. So you choose this date.
You go back to like November or something.
01. Oh shit. Menu locks off. 01, 20.
Okay.
And that's back
90 days.
Yep.
Yes.
Detached.
And wait. On the other side of the 0101, you're not going to go to 2030.
That's automatically populated. So you don't worry about this date.
You don't worry about that?
No, closing date from to here.
Okay.
Then here's a list. View list.
In which you're probably about to have a couple hundred.
2,908.
Wait. That's how many houses came up and closed?
Yes, in the past 90 days.
Holy shit. In all of, let's say, one city?
No, in all of Flex. So
how do you pick a city? Okay.
City code?
Yeah, like you don't want to, like you want to separate, you know, let's say you...
Right there, Albuquerque.
Yeah, okay.
1,900 houses have sold in the past 90 days.
Damn, that's a lot. I didn't think it was going to be like that.
Yep.
And it just pulls up your comps. I'll try it again like that. I couldn't even get to that. And maybe it was because I wasn't clicking on the active bar.
Nope.
And I seen the active. I couldn't get to closed.
Mm-hmm.
That was my problem then.
Let's see if this house, 4516.
Has a sketch?
Delania.
Or if you've done it before. Probably have.
I haven't done this one. This has been a rental. Rental. This is an investment prop.
So they just have a house and they just keep leasing to tenants?
Yep.
How do you know that?
Well,
does it say that?
All the history.
Like 1 year, 2 year?
Sold for rented for $950.
Mm-hmm.
Rented for $900. Rented for $1,050. It's only a 1,300 square foot house.
When you look at MLS, does this show what they, what kind of loan they used?
No.
So that's like a non-disclosure kind of thing?
Yep, it's nobody's business. But what kind of loan you got?
I thought you needed to know that for, like, you know, like...
Oh, wait.
If it's an arm's length. That's what I was thinking.
Hold on. It actually does.
Because then you can see if they, you know, had concessions and stuff.
Yeah, no, it's in there.
Go to closed.
Detached. Sandia Heights.
That should make it a lot smaller.
So it does, so right here it says closed sale conventional. Conventional. We have to put that in our report. Cash. 564 cash.
They put that down in cash?
Yeah.
God damn, that's crazy.
There's $2 million properties paid in cash, dude. I've done them.
Insane.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we have to note that.